And here going there. Yeah. You can also move an element. You can also move an element using your arrow key. So for example, here you need a little bit down, arrow key. So here, guys, see? Okay, so let's use this text. Let's use this text option under annotate tab, text. So here you have two types. Okay, maybe you can, let's use this one first. Okay, you can change the type from here, but for now, let's use this 2.5 Arial. You can say this one inside, you can click, okay, text, and then this no leader first. Let's just pretend somewhere here, click, let's say inside. Okay. Press close. You can use the same thing here, no? But okay, let's use this one inside here. Wait for this line to come. After clicking inside that, let's say here outside. You are just explaining that this is the inside area and this is the outside. Okay, close. You need to expand this one, You need to expand this border. Yeah, done. So this one, let's just use a text. Text again. This time, let's use this one segment. So one segment is like you need to click one and then two, click. So this one, let's say this is your blackboard. And then close. I'm now using one segment, What else? Okay, now let's use these two segments. I'll make here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is window. Close. And then this one, another one, the curve is like, you're going to use it like that. 1, 2. Or let's say, for example, this is glass. This is just an example. So this is how you will create something like that. Try experimenting those. Okay, so I guess for our next meeting, we are now capable of doing a model. Okay, we're going to start our model next week now. Okay. So I guess that's it for maybe we can okay. No, this is what we can do right now. Let's just try to place it on the sheet. No, let's just use our remaining minutes. Done. Okay. Now I will tell you now how to place this drawing on a sheet. Okay. So go here to the sheets. Place your text first. Right click here, sheets, right click, new sheet. Okay. Just okay. Right click here, sheets, right click. Right click and say new sheet. Okay. Let's just use this A1 metric. Press OK. Okay. So this is actually the title. This is not our title block. I prepared one for our exercise. How to place your drawing here? Very simple. Let's add this placing a sheet, this one. Simply click and drag. Click and drag, release. Ah, 1:100 is too small. Yeah? Okay, so let's okay, so let's go click this view. Click. Okay, I think let's change the scale to 1:50. And let's go back to the sheet now. Click this plus. Click this plus and look for A101 unnamed. Okay, so I think it's because this is A1, no? This is A1. I'm sure you are familiar with A1 sheet, nah? You are familiar with A1 sheet, and this is a very, very small floor plan. That's why it looks like this, no? See, let's just try to play this section as well. Click and drag as well. Click and drag. Yeah, see? Whenever you place the view, it gives you the detail number. And the call out as well. That's it. Let's not arrange it properly. No? But see, it's okay. So it's not like AutoCAD, no? We're going to do manually all the detail. Before there is no detail like this, no? So now you can find it here. So this is detail 2 sheet, section number 2 at sheet A101. Okay, so this is actually an advance. No, I'm just killing time actually. No, we are done for today for our our discussion, but I'm just killing time. So let's just discuss this one. Here, okay. So for the plan, listen here. You can actually double click. No, double click. It's like a viewport concept in AutoCAD. So if you double click here, you are inside the model space. You can change the scale. So let's say 1:, this is too much, by the way. So let's just keep it 1:50. But so double click outside to exit the viewport. So for the section, make it 1:50 as well. It's too small, no? It's not just too small, but our paper is too big. Small clothes or a blue flag. Imagine that is an A1 sheet. It's the viewport, sir. Maybe someone else. And for the section, listen first here. Okay, listen first. So when you are outside the viewport, click, for example, this view. Okay, we don't want this name, no? We just we click the viewport and scroll down here and look for title on sheet. Okay, so the title on sheet of this one, it's simple floor plan. So yeah, like that. For this one, title on sheet section. Okay, this one, blow up that. Okay, last one. Did you change all of the title on sheet now? Last one. How to move this text now? Okay, simple simple instruction for this one. If you click the viewport, they will come together. I'm talking about this name, ah. So for you to change the position of this name, click directly on that and drag. Okay, this one, move. This one, move. One title on sheet. Okay, last one. How to address this line? Okay, you cannot directly click on that line. Okay, click the viewport once. Don't go inside, no? Click the viewport once. You can adjust this. Yes. This one is enough. Okay, we're going to model something on next slide. Not okay, just I think I will give you an idea what is that. No? This the CAD file that I told you that we're going to turn into model. That's it. That's what we're going to do next Friday. Okay, I will just repeat it, sir. Okay, this is not to make fun of the mistake. No? We are correcting them. Never do accidentally dragging of an element. It will create a lot of problems. No? Remember that in Revit, not only one is working. No? Multiple person or multiple people are working. So if you accidentally move this one, for example, and he is making a shop drawing out of that model, his shop drawing will be damaged. No? So avoid that. What else I noticed? I think that's all. Just because in Revit actually it's easy to modify an element. So that's why we have pen, no? Pin tool, remember PN? So it can be applied also for model. No? But the major thing is to avoid accidentally moving. Okay, so I guess that's it. Just added in our okay. So I guess that's it for today. And you can save the file if you want, but I believe you keep the original file. No? So in case you want to redo the exercise, you have. So that's it for today, and let's see you again next Friday. Don't be late, sir. Huh? Actually, I'm also late by 5 minutes, I guess. He's better than me. What time you arrive to usually? What time you arrive, sir? What time? Yeah. 7 o'clock exact. 7 o'clock? 7:40. Oh.